coding but don't know from where to begin, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share a simple roadmap that can help you start your coding journey without any confusion. Hi, I'm Samriddhi and I've been learning Java for past 4 years in my school. And during this journey, I learned a few things I wish I knew before I started. So in this video, I'm going to share a simple roadmap based on my experience. The first step is to ask yourself a question. Why do you want to learn coding? Maybe you want to build some projects, maybe you want to improve your problem solving skill, or simply you enjoy programming. Whatever your goal may be, once your goal is clear, you will have a much better idea about what you want to achieve, and it will also be easier for you to stay consistent. Step 2 is to choose a programming language and stick with it. In my case, I learned Java and it helped me build a strong foundation in programming. My advice is to avoid switching into different languages every few weeks. First, become comfortable with one language. Step 3, now focus on basics. Learn variables, operators, data types, loops, methods, object-oriented programming, arrays. These are the foundation of programming. If your concepts are clear or your basics are clear, any new technology will be much easier for you to learn. After learning a new concept, don't just watch lectures or read program, practice writing your code yourself. Start building small projects. Even simple projects can improve your logic building and give you confidence as a programmer. And that's it for this video. This is a simple roadmap I believe every beginner can follow when they start their coding journey. I hope it gives you a clear direction. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.